You say, good morning. Bless you. What do you think? You want to show us your red hair? Look at that. It's really filling in. It's staying very red. What do you think? Can you say, I'm 9 weeks old? 12 pounds? 23 inches. What do you think about that? You got Dad's sock? Are you helping Mom fold the laundry this morning?